Hello guys, we're back at again with another video. It's Team Mazza here, and we got my boy Aku and Team Mazza.
What's up, Team Mazza? Today we're going to be showing you a naughty recipe for a healthy smoothie that tastes amazing. Alright, so the first ingredient we're going to be using is mangoes. Let's see these mangoes.
Frozen mango.
Yeah, frozen, of course, frozen. But you know, flash frozen so they're nice and fresh. It's going to be around a handful. All these ingredients you can choose however quantity you want, so you can make your smoothie as best tasting as to what you want. You can add or remove whatever ingredients in case you're allergic or you just don't like them. So first we're gonna add
The mangoes.
the mangoes.
Vibes.
Right? The vibes. Right, then we got some strawberries. Again, same amount, a handful. That's what we're using.
Guys, my favorite ingredient is coming up.
The secret
The
ingredient.
banana. You guys, if you know me, your boy likes banana cake, banana ice cream, everything. Stick a one full banana, basically, and toss that in.
Don't even need to chop it.
Exactly, because we like the banana vibe.
I like that. Then we have some mixed berries. Essentially what's in here is blackberries, raspberries. We have blueberries in here, so it's a nice 3 blend.
Add orange berries, muzzle at it, you know, for the jokes.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna add this in.
Yes, sir.
This should serve around what, 6 glasses of smoothie. So you know, this is a nice healthy way to. You can replace this as breakfast. You can eat this or drink this in the morning. My bad.
Anytime.
And fuel you up, you know. And
Obviously.
here we got the milk. Right, some people add water. I don't like water. You know,
Fact,
the
that's
milk is
weird.
nice and nutritious, you know. So we're gonna add around 2 to 3 cups. It all depends on how much.
You put in, yeah.
Yeah, how much quantity of berries and fruits you put in. So that's 1 cup. Then we're coming up with 2 cups.
Chef Aku, I never knew you were that good.
Yo, you should see me with the other things. We're gonna be doing many other things next video. We're gonna be showing you how to make some naughty banana ice cream vibes.
Facts.
That's 3 cups.
Let's
I'm
wait
gonna
for
go
that.
into a 4 cups because you know I like mine kind of thick. So actually, let's go 3.5. Let's go 3.5 so it can blend properly.
Guys, we like it nice and thick because we like it to be nice and, you know, a naughty smoothie.
It's naughty, yo. It has to have some type of body to it.
Yeah.
You know, you can add more milk if it's not blending properly, but we're just gonna go ahead, slap the lid on this baby. And with my blender, because I'm naughty, I got the nice Ninja, the well-known blender. We're gonna go for.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna do is put the nice smoothie and a naughty smoothie into those nice 2 cups.
Okay, so just gonna open this up. And again, if you don't like some of these ingredients, you can add or remove however you want. This is not coming out properly. Hold up, never mind. See, we like it nice and thick, so
Because you get to,
It's
you
gonna
know,
take
it
a
takes
little
longer
bit
to,
of
you know, to
time.
drink.
yeah. And also, you know, it adds a nice thickness. Some people like it thin, they like the taste of it. I like the thickness just because of the texture. So look at that naughty glass of healthy smoothie. That's gonna taste better than an ice cream shake. I can guarantee you on that. Look at this. Naughty smoothie. As you can see, all the berries and the banana has blended in perfectly. If you want to make this a little bit more healthy, you can add avocado or kale. I ran out of avocado. I love it. It adds a nice creaminess to it. But, you know, I didn't have it. So, yeah, there's still a lot left. So, like I said before, this can feed up to 6 glasses. That's how much. Just put that little amount of berries.
Jeez.
So let's taste that.
Taste that? Cheers. Mmm.
Delicious. That slight hint of banana with the berries. I like that. I love that.
Yo!
Delicious. You can taste the mangoes, the nice hints of the berries in the background. The banana's nice and creamy.
I rate it.
It's delicious. You
10
can
out of 10.
definitely give it a try.
It's healthy, no sugar added.
It's easy. It's simple. It literally takes, what, 4 or 5 ingredients, and it's
Guys.
amazing.
Look how much there's left. We only took this much. And look how much there's left.
That's around 1.5
More than 2
liters of
glasses.
shakes.
This is more like
Yeah, like 6.
holy
8 glasses. You can feed your entire family. This is
fat.
breakfast vibes right here. You
For
can
me,
also-
lunch, dinner vibes too. You know your
You
voice.
gotta stay healthy, yo. This is perfect for drinking before going on a run or like on jogging, you know, playing basketball, soccer, going for a nice long bike ride. This will give you the energy to go through it, you know.
Oh,
You can have this with eggs, cereal. You can have this with really anything, honestly. You can have this as a dessert. It's so
shawarma.
nice and sweet. Okay, maybe not the shawarma, but you can have this as a dessert. It's that sweet and just by the natural like berries with the strawberries. Yellow, I can't even talk anymore. It's so good.
How good it is. Facts. You want to know for us?
Sure.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that was the recipe for Nati banana mango mixed berry smoothie. It's extremely healthy, super delicious. We'll see you in the next Team Azai video for the ice cream banana flavored. See you guys.
Peace.